Climate change, a problem we often hear about. The question is, what is climate change? According to NASA, climate change is a change in the usual weather found in a place. This could be a change in how much rain a place usually gets in a year. For example, the Philippines. The Philippines would have lots of rains and Antarctica would turn into a beach. Do you know how dangerous climate change is? According to the World Health Organization, climate change is already impacting health and including by leading to death and illness from increasingly frequent extreme weather events.
Whew. Wow, it is hot out there.
Where have you been? We started filming without you.
I walked 2 blocks and fainted from the heat. Some good Samaritan helped me cool down.
Well, the reason you fainted is due to heat stroke surgery, one of the many effects of climate change. Our next part of this video is about how climate change is affecting us now.
When the glaciers melt, our sea levels rise, which can cause erosion. It has been studied that if sea levels continue to rise, many low-level islands will be submerged in water, killing many people, as well as losing habitable areas to live.
Since climate change increases the amount of heat waves, many more people will experience heat stroke. Many people will drop down or faint due to heat, and their body will be unable to cool them down, thus causing them to faint and experiencing permanent disability or even death. Old people are more likely to be affected than younger people. The increase of typhoons and storms will not only kill people from the fierce winds, floods, or even debris from weak houses, but will also bring huge property due to many places. Talk about how to prevent global warming.
We could save energy by turning off appliances.
But how does this help?
Turning off appliances when not in use helps the environment by reducing consumption of electricity, which in turn reduces the consumption of fossil fuels. I wonder, why do people hate using fossil fuels, Nick?
It is because burning fossil fuels increase the levels of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, which causes global warming. Changes that you can do the 3 R's: reducing, reuse, and recycling.
Reducing, obviously, reduces the amount of waste that will need to be recycled or sent to landfills and incinerators.
Reusing is finding a new way to use things like reusable cups, and recycling as well, using things like plastic water bottles for plant pots. So kids, teens, and parents, don't forget to do the 3 R's, as it is not just for you, for your kids too.
Climate change is no longer some far-off problem. It is happening here. It is happening now. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.